Hey guys, this is Make Dollars and Cents, and today we're going to talk about the stocks that are not just surviving, thriving during this market crash of 2020. As we mentioned in our previous blog post and YouTube video, in mid to late February, coronavirus shook the world and forced U.S. equities into a bear market. This means that the general market has fallen more than 20% from its recent highs in February. However, that does not mean that every stock is down from that time about 1 month ago. Here are some of the stocks that have performed and might continue to perform well while we are all stuck in quarantine. Just a quick disclaimer, this is not personal financial advice and not a recommendation to buy or sell any of the stocks listed here. This is for informational purposes only, and these prices and analysis are as of market close, March 27th, 2020. So the first stock we should take a look at here is Zoom Video, ticker ZM. Zoom Video, which is trading at $152 per share, is up about 33% over the past month as the coronavirus quarantine ramps up. But since it went public in mid-2019, it is up over 150%. And we think this makes decent sense as Zoom is certainly positioned to benefit from the increased amount of people that will be stuck working from home. If we click over to the analysis tab, we can see that Zoom made about $21 million in net income in the last 12 months of business. You see that here. Some other critical metrics in this screen are the price to revenue, price to book, price to earnings, and whether or not they pay a dividend. So here we can see that Zoom is trading at 66 times its annual revenue, 47 times the value of all of its assets, 1,700 times its earnings for any given year, and there is no dividend paid to shareholders. If you want to learn a little bit more about these metrics and what a dividend is, check out the link in the description below. I'll also make some dedicated videos about this stuff in the future. So next up is CHWY, which is trading around $36 a share. Pull up CHWY. And is an online service that provides delivery of pet goods like food, treats, and toys. This makes sense as well. Less people are willing to head out to the grocery store, but don't want to neglect their pets' needs. CHWY doesn't make any net income right now, which may make it a riskier play in the short term, but it's up over 20% in the last month. They went public around the same time as Zoom, and since they don't make net profit, there is no denominator to calculate some of these metrics. So you can see here that CHWY is trading at around 3 times its annual revenue. They also don't pay a dividend, and they're a relatively young company. A more mature company that is doing well right now is United Parcel Service, ticker UPS. Enter. UPS is trading around $97 a share. Obviously they operate a global logistics and package delivery service. Their brown vans are known around the world. The market probably likes UPS right now because it's $4 billion in net income, will be unaffected, and it might even go up. Scroll down to net income. Might even go up as more people are impacted from the coronavirus outbreak. We can also see that they have decent metrics here with a 19 PE, one price to revenue, which is relatively low, 26 price to book. Again, if you're interested in learning more about these metrics or want to get started buying stocks for yourself, check the description box for more info. And while the market on average is down from its highs, we could pull up SPX again here, S&P 500. While it is off of its highs about 14%, there are a few stocks that are holding steady during these difficult times, and we just mentioned a few here for you to look further into. There are others. Clorox is holding strong. We'll pull up CLX. Holding steady. In the past month, it's around 2.76%, which is not down over the past month, 14% like the stock market is. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. If you did, leave a like. Consider subscribing for more content like this in the future. I do hope to be posting here more regularly from now on. And check out the website at makedollarsandcents.com for written content if you are into that sort of thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.